Hey everyone, it's Dawn here, and it is Saturday morning. I am up on the roof, and I am going to work on resealing it. I don't know. I don't think it's ever been resealed. Ooh! Hi there, baby bee. Do you guys see the baby bee? He's hiding in the shade. I guess that he's only ever been sealed once from the factory, because usually when people reseal, they'll often put it over the top, or you'll see like different applications of it, and like this, it looks like it's only ever been done once. I don't know, I'm just guessing. That's my air conditioner. And my definite leak spot is over here. And this is it. So I need to take this off, unscrew this, take off this trim, and then, oh, I feel moisture here. And then maybe, oh my gosh, I have to do this without falling off. I don't know, maybe when I do this, I'll be able to see down inside. This is where we had the delamination, and you can see once it's dry, the delamination is not, it's not that bad. It shrunk back down and it's laying flat. So that's why I'm saying I might not have to worry about that too much if I just get this sealed up, because I know this is definitely leaking. There's a big hole in here. This is all crumbled up and disgusting. So we have big Hurricane Hillary coming tonight and tomorrow. Not sure when exactly she'll be here, but I want to see how much of this I can get fixed up before she hits. This is going to be interesting, because from here down, this is the front overcab, and it goes downhill. Up here is where I can see this the best, but because it's downhill, I feel like I'm going to slide right off and fall off the motorhome. And I'm also terrified of heights. Oh, that's just lovely. So when I look down like this, I get vertigo, and I feel like I'm gonna die. All right, I'm not gonna crawl over there. But this is what the roof looks like now. And how the seals, the condition of the old seals. And, ooh, yeah, look at how it's, what is that? I don't even understand why it's doing that. But, all right. I will give updates as I get them. Look, hi. Oh, look. So that's their RV. Their RV is a 2000, I don't know, way, way, way newer. 2000 something. Look at me being snoopy. Let's look at their seals and their roof. Now look at mine. You know what? Mine doesn't look that bad compared to this much newer one, right? It's not that bad. Look, their trim is in bad condition too. So I'm not gonna feel super bad about my heap of junk over here. All right, I'll be back when I have updates. All right, so I've been working on this, trying out all different kinds of tools, ceramic scrapers. I don't remember what that's called. I don't know what this thing is called, but this is one of my favoriteest tools ever. This is a straight blade, and I already got myself this morning. Got my sealants and stuff over here, and a blower, because I'm just blowing debris out of here. This is tougher than I thought, and now I understand what they mean about this vinyl roof. This is some kind of membrane, I'm guessing vinyl membrane. And so I can't just, on my horse trailer, when I resealed it, I could just scrape down to the metal and even sand down all of the rust. But I can't do that here because it's all vinyl and stuff. So I'm trying to remove stuff, and it's just tough because you get this and then it's like gum. So you can't just peel it off. You gotta keep scraping and scraping. I don't have to get all of the, like this stuff here is still kind of good. The white, soft, pliable, stretchy is still, well, it's not that stretchy, but it's still kind of good. So if there's a thin layer of that, then the new stuff will stick onto that. But here's a problem. This is silicone. There's leftover silicone on here, and nothing will stick to silicone. So I have to scrape out. So they may have had a problem with this before, and there's little bits of silicone left there. So I'm gonna have to remove that, or else nothing will stick on there. So what happens is air bubbles get into here, and then you see all the dirt. Yeah, so far, this is all I've done, and I still have this whole roof to do. But just right now, trying to figure out what tools work best and won't keep killing me, and what's the quickest way to get this all cleaned up and get the new stuff put on. All right, we got some progress. Starting from that end, that's where it's leaking. Working down here, and I am at this spot now, and I still have this much to go for the front. This is the front cab over. You'll see here rust, 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 rust. No rust, no rust, no rust, no rust, no rust, no rust, no rust. So what I'm thinking is that also correlates to this dark spot over here, which you can't see so well because I've been cleaning it, but over here you can see, and it's about the same thing. This dark spot over here, that's where water accumulates on the ends. So that end, the right end, and then the left end, water accumulates. And if you match up the rust spots, it also matches up with where the water accumulates at these low points. So what I bet is happening is that they're sealing it like normal, which works great. See how there's no rust there? So it works great if there's no water coming over the top. But I think this corner is low and that other corner is low, so the water pools up. And you can see that it's sitting water. That's what that dark spot is, indication of sitting water. And then if it goes over, it's going over the top, and they're not protecting the top so much. So that's why we've got all these rusts in these nails or screws. And then also, I mean, it was just all messed up over there anyways. But I figured out this is the only tool I need. And remember I said this is my most favoriteest tool, and I couldn't find it. And that's why I went grabbing all my other different types of scrapers, trying to find something. But oh my gosh, this is the best tool. So I figured out a way to do this, and that is to make sure that this is up, and I pull over here, and I pull all the way. Sorry, I'm holding my phone in my left hand while trying to do this one-handed. So I'm basically pulling this. It's a lot better when I'm not holding the camera, but I basically do that until I get to here, and then it lifts up, and then I use this part of it, and I cut along here, and then I stick this in and shove this, trying to shove this under here. And I'm not doing a very good job right now because I'm holding the phone, but I'm just trying to give you an idea. And then I lift the rest of this up, and then it comes up like that. So it's going pretty quick this way. And then down here, then I use this part of the tool to cut and slice all along here. And then I come over here like this, And then I'm able to lift this stuff up too. And it's easier when I can use both hands to push, because this is kind of hard to do. But see, lifts up like that, and then I'll go back and clean up the edges. But that's why this tool is so amazing. I love this tool. It's my most favoriteest tool in the whole wide world. But yeah, I'm able to move pretty quickly now that I've established a system to do this, so I should be able to get all this done soon. All right, so first coat is down. It's not pretty, but I'm not used to working with this die-core. I'm using a die-core, and I'm also using the non-sag sealant for vertical and the slopes. So, still learning, but this is now sealed. It'll at least last one hurricane, hopefully. We'll see. I'll check on it when it's dry, and if I have to, I can do some more on it. All right, so since I got done with the front, I'm gonna go ahead and I think this is the next worst spot, is same place but on the rear, and we have a lot of cracks and separation all around here, holes, stuff. So I'm gonna do this one, and over here that definitely looks bad over here, so I want to get this one done as well. And then I can look into these other ones like this, and also maybe down the sides. So the rear is now done. And then I started to do, so that's how it looks like old. That's with the new stuff. I started to do this, and then I was like, wait, I have to prioritize because I don't have, in fact, I'm running out of time already. So I think the next one in priority is probably this one, because it's, this is the skylight, I suppose, and this looks like pretty severe cracks all around the edges. So let's get this one done. Alright, I am going to call it a day for right now as far as the resealing project is going, because I'm running out of time. I did the whole front. This is an experiment, and this back here is done. I have to get more products, and this is not at all waterproof, and we have that big hurricane, look at all the trash, Hurricane Hillary come in, so I need to go get some tarps and just tarp this up, just to be safe, because, oh yeah, you can see a little bit. This is my slide out, I'm on top of the slide out, but that trim is completely dead and horrid, and it's crumbling and falling apart, and so that is where it's going to be leaking in the store. So I just need to pull in my slides, get the tarps up on here, and I don't know, prepare for storm time. All right, so there you go. Thanks for joining me today, and I will talk to you guys next time.